Hi everyone, my name is Riyasha Chatterjee and this is my SQL final project and analysis of US baby name trends from 1980 to 2009 using SQL. SQL, or structured query language, is one of the most powerful tools in data analysis. It allows us to clean, filter, and extract the insights from large datasets quickly and efficiently. For this project, I worked with a real-world dataset over 2.4 million of records, which included baby names by year, gender, birth count, and state. I also joined it with a region table to explore the geographic trends. I used MySQL to write my query, and I imported the data using command line interface, which helps me to manage the large files efficiently. These are my objectives: to analyze the popular baby names and their trends, identify the names with the biggest jumps in the popularity, examine the regional name trends and birth distribution, and explore the name characteristics and androgynous name. First, I analyze the most popular boy and girl name across all years by summing the births and the group and grouping it by the name. I found that Michael was the most popular boy name and Jessica was the most popular girl name from 1980 to 2009. Then I tracked how their popularity changed over the years, where I found that Michael maintained a top 3 rank consistently, where Jessica was number 1 until 1997, after which her popularity dropped significantly. This shows how trends evolve with time. Next, I found the biggest jumps in popularity, where names like Isabella, Ava, Connor, Carter, Hyde, and Haley, which were barely known in 1980 but became highly popular by 2009. Then, to identify the top 3 names by decade and gender, I split this query into two parts: this one for female and this one for male. So, this was necessary for my case because the dataset was too large and running the full query in one shot caused my SQL to crash during the execution. So, I split, and it helped me to manage the performance and ensure the accurate results. However, this could be optimized using the same function with partitioning by both instead of only decade. If we partition by both, like decade and gender, in a single query, then it can be more efficient. For this analysis, I found that for girls, Jessica remained number 1 in 80s and 90s, but Emily took her place in 2000, followed by Madison and Emma. And for boys, Michael held the top position in 80s and 90s, and Jacob became the most popular in 2000. This revealed how naming trends shift across decades, influenced by culture, media, and society. Next, to analyze the total bars by region, at first I cleaned my regional data by standardizing the name like New England and adding Michigan to the Midwest region using a city. Then I did a left join with my city clean region and my names table and ordering the clean region by descending order, where I found this output that the South Pacific and New England region were the highest number of days, followed by Mountain, Midwest, and Mid Atlantic. To find popular name within each region, I have to again fill my regional data, and then I separated the analysis for boys and girls due to the dataset size limits and use the dense ranked function to rank the names within each region by total births. So basically I showed in one query, but if we just change the gender for male to female, we got the same result which I showed in the right side. The result showed that Michael was ranked in one almost every region for boys except the South, where Christopher topped the list. And same goes for Jessica. Jessica dominated all regions except the South, where Ashley ranked 1. This demonstrates how naming trends vary geographically even among top names. Next, I explore top 10 most popular androgynous names. Androgynous names are basically the names given to both male and female. So here the names like Adia, Adi, Ahan, these are given uh, both boys and girls. Next, I analyze the most popular short and long names based on their character length. Here, the shortest character contains shortest name contain two characters, and the longest name contain 15 characters. Based on that, we found that TY was the most popular short names and Ryan Christopher was the most popular long names. So these are my key findings I got, which I mentioned earlier. And in this project, SQL helped me to break down the millions of records efficiently, derive meaningful insights through ranking, aggregation, and filtering, and tell a complete story using queries and visuals. Thank you for your time.